Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear cookies on your iPhone 17 Pro. So, at first we need to open the settings. Now we have to scroll all the way down so that we can find the apps. And now here in the apps we have to search for the letter S, like Safari, or your favorite web browser of course. Here we have to enter our Safari, and now we have to scroll down. Scroll till you see something about cookies. Here, as you can see, they have clear history and website data. Tap it, and here you can, as you can see, select time frame. I'd select all history, and now we can select, but it's of course optional, close all tabs. You can tap clear history, and now all your cookies are now cleared on your iPhone 17 Pro. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.